How to backup WhatsApp images in Google Photos. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can backup WhatsApp images in Google Photos. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the WhatsApp application in a mobile device. Tap on the three dot icon in the top right corner and then tap on Settings. On the Settings, scroll down a bit and then tap on Chats. Once you're here, make sure that you have turned on the toggle for media visibility so that WhatsApp images appear in your phone gallery. After that, you have to open up Google Photos in your device. Then tap on your profile at the top right corner. Scroll down a bit and head towards Photos Settings. Here, tap on Backup and make sure that this backup is turned on. After that, tap on Backup Device Folders, then you have to toggle on the WhatsApp Images folder from your gallery, also WhatsApp videos if you want. So once you have done that, or once you have enabled your backup in your WhatsApp, your Google Photos will automatically back up WhatsApp images when you are connected to Wi-Fi or mobile. Then you can view them in Photos tab or search using keywords. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.